once you complete the examinations with a high grade, do you get any bonus or incentive, something like that? So how high you'll have to score in order to get that bonus?
You will be getting 10,000 bonus for that if you clear the primas exam more than 75 percentage. Like the primas exam will be for 20 marks, 20 MCQs. If you score more than 15, you will be rewarded with 10,000 bonus.
So in your batch, say if there are 100 people, so what is the average number of people who like score above 75? So what is the average number?
70 percentage.
So you're saying that the primers examination is pretty easy.
Yeah, primas is easy. It's based on full of the basic concepts which you have learned in the engineering program.
Okay. So what about the stream examinations? If you clear that with high grades, do you get any other bonus or nothing?
No, stream regarding to stream exam, it is a mandatory thing. You have to
Okay.
clear that. There is no extra bonus and
No.
nothing. That is due to its mandatory thing. There is no extra bonus. So only if you clear, you are there, or else you will be not there in Accenture anymore. So it's very important, and it's a mandatory thing actually.
The learnings from your preliminary training as well as your stream training, say you have learned different programming languages and other soft skills. So how relevant is it for your current job role? Do you like how often do you use it, and or is there no correlation from what you learned and what you're doing now?
Okay, actually, it is depends. Totally depends on the stream and the project what you get actually. So you may be having learning the Java in the Primus course, and then it will be useful for your TechGenics stream, TechGenics learning also. So in Primus also there will be Java, and in TechGenics also there will be Java. So if you are in the Java project means then it is useful. But if you are in a totally different project, so there is no use in that actually. But the project will be assigned based on the techgenic stream training only. So if you are in a specific stream, like if you are on a cloud stream, you should learn cloud, you should write exams on regarding cloud, AWS and Microsoft Azure, these kind of stuffs actually. And your projects also assigned based on this training only. So like
Hmm.
Java learning employees won't get project related cloud. So
Hmm.
same like cloud based learning employees won't get project in Java or SAP, some other thing.
Okay, so
Yeah,
whatever you have learned, they will put you in the relevant project only, and
yeah, sure.
they will not put in some random project.
No, no, yeah,
Okay,
that's just
then
so.
yeah.
If you have
Mhm.
extra skill, then you can switch projects afterwards, not now actually. So usually after this techgenics training, you will be in the bench actually.
How
So in the
long?
bench, it depends on the business demands actually. Depends on the business demands how the employees
You,
required.
you can't define you can't define an average time, right?
No, like I have seen people doing a 1 day bench, and I have seen people who is in 6 7 months in bench. So it
Hmm.
totally depends on your choice and the company's demand actually.
Hmm. So, like from the text and chaining, say you have learned Java, and currently there is no projects on Java, so you're like in bench for a month. So, in that time, can you learn another project on your own and then get into some projects, get into some other project?
Like it is very difficult process to switch actually at this time. Like if you have knowledge on some other stream also, in this time it is difficult to switch actually. So you will be assigned with project of Java only.
So initially, whatever they are saying, only in that you can go. After being in the project for few months, then you can switch according to your caliber.
Yeah, actually, so you are on a bench after you are getting project related Java. But again, Accenture will provide you one more chance for you. So if you didn't like the stream, like if you are in a support project or something, if you want to, you have interest in a development project or regarding to tech something. So there is a one more training called GFT training. There you can choose whatever course you are so interested and keen to learn about. And if you want to switch to some other stream, you can choose the course there, and you can learn on that while in a project.
What is
So
GFT?
GFT training, that is, we called as techleap.
Mm,
Okay,
mm,
the previous
mm,
thing was techgenics, and this is
mm.
techleap.
Take leave.
Okay, so once you have learned Java in techgenics and you are you are in a bench, then you are going to Java project. while working in Java project, but you don't like Java, you need to switch it to a cloud-based work or cloud-based project. While working in the project, you can learn the modules, which will be totally free of cost. Accenture will provide all the learning modules to you, whatever the course you have chosen.
Hmm.
So it totally depends on the based on the skill and interest
Hmm.
on
Hmm. Hmm.
which you are having actually. So you can learn that, and there will be exams coming on regarding the stream which you have chosen. You have to write those exams actually. So there will be three things to be remembered. One is school one, school two, school three. The school one will be the exam will be coming on after 6 months. Okay,
Hmm.
after 6 months of post completion of techgenics training, the previous training. If you clear the school one,
Hmm.
the new the if you're working in Java and for school one you have chosen cloud as a stream.
Hmm.
Okay, because you are interested in cloud, so you want to switch cloud. So you have chosen cloud as a stream. So if you pass the exam, in the sense, uh, in your Accenture profile, the skill of what course you have completed will be added in your
Hmm.
Accenture profile.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, and you will be promoted to career 11 if you clear the exam.
Hmm.
Okay, from associate software engineer to analyst.
Okay.
Okay, you will be promoted. It's like a fast promotion. Usually after 2 3 years you will be get promoted, but if you clear the exams in the 6 months, you will be fast promoted to be usually called as fast track actually.
So that fast track is optional.
It's like optional. If you failed in school one, you can write school two. It will be that exam will be having one another 6 months. Like after
Hmm.
1 year of techgenics, and then there is school three also. So each schools you can choose different domains and you can learn different things. And if you clear those exams, now the skill will be added in your Accenture profile, and you can internally change because you are having a
Hmm.
skill. You have a
Hmm.
specific interest in some skill, and you
Hmm.
cleared the exam too.
Hmm.
So you
So,
can
so
search
I
for the.
assume these school one, school two, and school three examinations are very difficult. Is it?
Uh, it's not like difficult. Like here in TechGenics, you have a tutor or something to
Hmm.
help you, and can ask doubts and everything there. But in this TechLeap program, there will be no tutors. It's fully based on self learning.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
so if you have to spend time on this and the project too. In TechGenics program, we will be fully focused on learning. But in
Hmm.
this TechLeap, like
You'll have to
everyone will be
concentrate
doing the
on work and
project.
also learning.
Yeah, so that will be some challenging part here.
Once you finish the tech genics training, so how many streams are there? How many different streams are there? Like you can't name all of them. There will be many, but like what are the like top five or top 10 highly chosen streams?
As you know, Accenture is dealing with top 500 Fortune companies, and Accenture is having current technology domains also like big data, cloud, AI, and Java, Python, and main merge stacks,
Hmm.
Oracle,
Hmm.
and Pega systems, SAP systems. So these are the major platforms Accenture is having.
You're now in which project?
I'm in now SAP.
For switching streams, like is it some criteria like you'll have to serve a minimum of this many months in a project, only then you can switch to another stream? Is there some criteria like that?
No, no, it's not like that actually. So after clearing this the TechLeap program,
Hmm.
you can search for the openings in some other technology which you have cleared the exam actually.
So when
So
can you attend the tech leap? So if I was put in a Java project, if I find that I didn't like it in like a week, then from the second week itself, can I start preparing for tech leap and give the examination in 1 month?
yeah, after clearing the TechGenics exam, you will be receiving a link for
Hmm.
TechLeap registration. When
Hmm.
after that TechGenics result, after 15 20 days, you will be receiving this TechLeap
How
registration
many
link.
days?
15 20 days, maximum
Hmm.
1 month.
Hmm.
Okay, then
Hmm.
you will be receiving this TechLeap registration link. There you can register and start learning. And you will be provided with the modules that you have to learn, which domain have you choose actually. So you
And
can start
the
learning.
yeah, and the relevant certifications which you'll have to do, say for example, Azure certification or AWS. So everything will be free of cost and sponsored by the company. Is that right?
Yeah, like you can't go and do the certification privately and ask Accenture
Nah,
to pay. Like here itself, you will be having some certification program that you can clear.
for official certification only. No.
Yeah, it's like official certification. Say if like my friend is in Pega systems
Mm.
training, okay,
Mm-hmm.
they are supposed to clear the Pega certification, Pega
Mm.
administration certification.
Mm.
That is an official Pega. That has to be done in official Pega certification website. It's
Mm.
like costs around $7 to $15, but that is totally free of cost for them. They will be provided with a coupon, free coupon. As per learning, Accenture will provide you more benefits in the sense as per learning actually. So here they will say always like the learning never ends here. So
Mm.
same like that, the learning, you have so many opportunities to learn if you're eager to learn here.
When you're about to be put in a project, before getting into a project, will you have a project interview?
Like it depends on the projects actually. So some of them will be having interview. Mostly 80% will be having some interview like type questions,
Hmm.
like some basic questions or
Just for namesake, or it's like if you fail, you'll not get into the
no,
project.
it is not just for namesake. Like they will ask some projects may require some very good candidates.
Hmm. Hmm.
So they would ask some questions regarding the domain actually.
So,
Not very in-depth questions, but at least some basic questions you should be aware of.
yeah, so that's pretty much it. So, yeah, I think that was a good session. It will be very useful for the audience out there. So, thank you very much for joining. And so, guys, please leave in the comments like what more questions you want to be answered, and if there are like a bunch of questions, then we can put out the subsequent videos in the upcoming months. So. Looking forward to your response in the comments. And if you like this video, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And for the previous video, you can watch the card here. So you'll get it on the screen now. So have a good day. Thank you.